Hello student. So as I told you to go through the video or the topic that I have explained you in the before chapter, hope you all have completed the chapter. Okay, means the first part of the chapter what I am trying to explain you. Okay, over the cube and cuboids. Now the next part of the same chapter of the same topic, okay, which we are going to discuss over the pit. Pit means what? A hole. Okay, is nothing but a hole which is being made on the earth. Earth means what? This is the flat surface. Okay, see, okay, you if you'll see there is a person, okay, who is trying to dig it out, okay, the earth, okay, and he is making the pit. So that's a pit and that's a earth. Okay, over this many sums we will discuss. Okay, so today's video is over the topics, the pit and the sums related to that. Okay, so my first question is, okay, so I have to explain you that what are, so how many cases we have completed so far? 2 cases we have completed over the topic cuboid and cube. So third case, or you can say third topic. Okay, so my work is to explain you the concept behind the chapter, the topic, then it's your work, so you have to do the sum. Okay, so if you'll see, the person is trying to dig it out. Okay, the person is trying to dig it out, what? The earth. Okay, and trying to make a pit. Okay, so they gave you the dimensions. Right. The dimensions are, the person what he is trying to do is trying to make a pit. Okay, trying to make a pit. Okay, they gave you the dimensions. For example, that is dimensions is equal to 10 into 8 into 3. Okay, means length, breadth and height. A pit will have a length and breadth and height also. Okay, now after that he is trying to take it out, he is taking out the what, earth, and he is keeping it somewhere else. Okay, somewhere else. So what will happen? See, when he is keeping the, okay, that what we say earth means sand, indirectly earth I am saying, okay, that over the other part, okay, over this one is taking out from there, is keeping on this one. Okay, the level of this one is increasing. Previously it was not having anything, nor a hole, nor any sand over here, means earth here. Okay, so you first to understand what is the earth. Earth means what? The sand what is taking out. Okay, that I am terming it as a earth, because in your book they are not saying this is sand, gravels, whatever is there, they are saying it an earth. Earth means the sand what they have taken out, that is the earth. Okay, so they are taking out the earth and keeping on this area, the upward area. So now what is happening? The height of this area is increasing. Previously the no sand was there. Okay, now no earth was there. Now because of this earth which is taking out from that pit, now it's increasing the height. So they are saying that this height is increasing. Okay, you can see in the diagram the height is increasing. Okay, so over a particular area, I am just throwing this earth over a particular area. Over a particular area it is being thrown. Okay. So now what is happening? They gave you the area where you are throwing. For example, this is the pit which you are trying to make. Okay, and this is the area where you are throwing the sand or the earth over this one. So it's a rectangular area. For example, they gave us 40 into 30. Okay, so do it have any height? No, it is length and breadth. It is not having height, but after throwing the sand, or you can say the earth, it is having now height also. Clear? After throwing the sand, the height got increased. So now it is having the height. Previously a flat slope was there, flat slope. Okay, see this, just like this, the flat slope was there. Now I have dug the hole here, pit. So now whatever the earth coming out, I am keeping it here. So what? The height like this, it is increasing. Now it is like this. So now it is having some height also. They are saying that you tell me how much is the height, okay, of this one what you have thrown, the earth. Okay, this is what you need to find out. Okay, that's what I am trying to show you with a video. Okay, so video, picture. Okay, try to understand. So now you understand how to take out. Sir, height we don't know how much is the height. So what you will do, if you don't know, what you will do, let the height of the, what we will say, pit or earth, that the height, plot, this plot, no, plot would increase. Let the height of the plot be h. You can write anything, h meter. Okay, now what is the volume of this one? What is this volume? The earth, means they have thrown. So volume equal to length into breadth into, now the height came. Now what is the volume of the pit? Volume of pit is equal to length into breadth into height. Clear? Now tell me how much it can be. Sir, if I am not wrong, okay, so how much how much deep the well is, okay, that pit is, that much sand will come out. If the pit is deep enough, huge amount of sand I will get. If it is not so deep, the amount of sand that I am receiving will be less. You are right. So according to that, the size also increases, because I am taking out the sand or earth and I am keeping it right over here. So how much sand I am getting, that much I am keeping. Huge amount of sand, this will be big enough. Less amount of sand, this will be small enough. So according to the pit, I will get the height. So what I have to take out, sir? Volume. What is the volume in this side? That will be this is volume. So both the volume will be same. You are right. Okay, you are right. So you will say, so volume of the pit is equal to volume of the pit is equal to volume of the earth spread on rectangular land. Okay, so what is the value of this one? Volume of the pit is this one, 10 into 8 into 3 equal to 40 into 30 into h. So you have to find out h. So this 2 will go down, you will get your answer. Okay, just like 10 into 8 into 3 by 40 into 30 is equal to h. You will solve, you will get your height. So this will, for example, height you will be going to get as it will be, if it is in meter, 1 by 5. If it is in centimeter, you will get 1 by is equal to 20. So this will be increase in the height of the what you are throwing that. It will that much, it will be increased. Clear what I am trying to say? Okay, so you have seen many times, okay, this type of things, means near your house only, if a person is trying to dig a well, okay, so what he does, whatever the earth is there which is coming out from that pit or a well, he will throw it in a nearby area. So because of that, what is happening? There is an increase in the height of that area or particular area. Like this, it is increases. So if in case any person say that how much is the increase in the height, you will say that I have to wait it out. They will say there is no need to wait it out. You just tell me how much you have thrown the once you have thrown the sand or the earth. Then you can say that if you know the concept, you can say that how much deep the well is, that much earth came out. That is the increase in height. Both the volumes will be same. Okay, this is the difference between a person who knows how to calculate mathematically and a person who doesn't know anything, who knows that how much came out, I need to weight it that, and that will be answer. So go through the basics. Okay, these are very important, not for your maths aspects but for in your real life also. It will be useful for you. Okay, you understood this sum? Okay, if you not, okay, go through it again, because today's chapter is over this topic only. I am just doing the topic wise so that it will be clear for you in your textbook or in your reference book. All are being mixed together, so you will get confusing. So that's why I'm just holding our topic, completing that one and going for the next one. Like that I'm doing. So you also do like that only, so that the concept will be really clear for you, because in 8, 9, 10 you do have a mensuration or surface area volume. Each and everywhere you will be facing these things. So these are the basics. Okay, the next one. Now one more question is there. Okay, how the teacher will try to make you confused. Okay, I'm just saying, if you understood the concept, everything is done. Okay, okay. So the question can be, they're saying that a field is there. Field means a field will be obviously in the rectangle shape. Okay, field is there. Okay, which is 70-meter long and 40-meter broad. Okay, a field is there. Okay, like this, 70-meter and 40-meter here. Okay, now after that, if one corner of the field a pit is, okay, at one corner a pit is being drawn, which is 10, 8, 5. Okay, here or anywhere a pit is drawn which is having 10 into 8 into 5, 10 into 8 into 5 means length, breadth and height. Obviously pit will have a height, but a land doesn't have height, it will be a flat. No, flat means doesn't have any height. If you are throwing the sand on that, then it increases the height, then height will be included. Now it's a flat land, flat land does not have any height. Okay, so it will have only length and the breadth. Okay, now let's see what they're saying. Okay, they are trying to dig a pit on this one, this corner area. The earth is taken out, means again earth means the sand, don't get confused, earth means what. Okay, taken out and is being evenly spread on the remaining part of the field. Okay, from here they are taking out the earth, means how much sand is possible, and they are throwing it on this one on the all the corners, not in one place only, in each and every corner they are throwing it. So in all the places means all this plot, okay, leaving this one, okay, will be increasing the length, leaving this one, this length will be increased, means height will be increased because it is being evenly spread throughout the path. Okay, okay, they're saying that what is the rise in the level of the field. So what is the problem, what is the increase in the level of the field? Now what is the difference in this one? See, in the previous case they are not saying that on a particular, they are not saying that, what they are not saying, they are saying that I am throwing, in the previous case, you understand difference. Okay, in the previous case wait, they are saying that I am just making a pit, okay, and I am throwing the sand on particular area. It's not been said that on this area, on this field only. See here, for example, see in the previous case, what is the difference, let me tell you, so that you will not get confused. My work is to make your concept strong. Okay, so this was the pit, previous one. Okay, and here somewhere they are making the hole. So they, what they are doing, they are getting the earth and they are keeping it here. So this was the previous case. Now they are saying that now this is the field, okay, and in this only at one corner I am just making a pit. Okay, and whatever the sand is there, whatever the earth is there, I am spreading in this part. So now in this case this thing is not there. Here I am not throwing the sand, I am not keeping the sand, I am not keeping the earth. This will not increase, this part will not be counted. Wherever in this case this pit is not a part of this field. Okay, I am just throwing all the sand, all the earth on this complete area. Okay, so in this case I will count the whole thing, but in this case I should not count this one because here only I am making a pit. Okay, pit is made on that area only where I am spreading, but here pit is made somewhere else. Okay, this is the difference. Clear? Okay, now what is the difference, how to do? This one you understood, this one what was the volume, this one, done. But in this case first you need to take out the, you need to remove this part. Okay, this should not be there. Okay, because this being made a what, pit. If I am making a pit, do I will throw the sand on this one only? No, on the remaining part. Okay, so you have to find out the remaining first you have to know that how much is the remaining part, because you need to throw the sand now. Clear? How much is the remaining part? So what is the total area? Total length is, total length they gave here is this one. Okay, this one is length this much and breadth is this much. Okay, okay, so find out the total area first. Area of the field here, second part, next case. Okay, area of the field, how much? For example, you take its easy numbers, it is just like 20 here, 100, it will be how much? 2000, this much only, na, meter square. This much is the total area. Of that, this one I have to remove first. What was the area of this one? It was, don't take the difficult numbers, easy numbers, 10 into 10 into 10. You take these numbers so that the answer will be easy. Okay, now I have to multiply the, take out the area. You have to take out the area, na? Area of the pit to be made, not volume. Okay, length into breadth, 10 into 10. So it will be 100 meters square. Now I have to remove this one from this one so that I will get only the part which are being left without the pit. Okay, so remaining part is equal to 2000 minus 100, so it will be 1900 meters square. Now over this only we are going to throw the sand or the earth. Okay, so we'll count this one. So now this is our answer. So we are going to discuss, or we are doing the sums on this one, 1900. So now so what I will do, so I will find out now. After that everything is same. Okay, so now you will take out the volume of this one. Okay, volume of the pit, as I have taken the volume of the pit, and volume of the earth spread on the rectangle area. So this is the area, है ना? Already we have calculated area. So area into height, we don't know. This is the area, है ना? We used to do like this. You just see what we used to do. Volume, let the height of the plot be h. Same thing we will write. Okay, volume is equal to length into breadth and height. Length and breadth we have already multiplied here. See where this one, length and breadth we have already multiplied. Okay, and after multiplication, after subtraction, we got this answer. So no need to do it again. So this is made up of length and breadth only. Okay, so length into breadth we have already multiplied. Here we have not multiplied, but here we have already multiplied. So into height you will do. So this value equal to this value. H you will get your answer. Okay, H you will get your answer. So your H will be how much? See. So here how much? It will be how much? Volume of the pit. What is the volume of the pit? Volume of the pit is 1000. 1 is equal to, this one is 1900 into H. So H is equal to 1000 by 1900. You will solve, you will get your answer, whatever the value is there. If it is centimeter, if it is meter, according to that you will do the conversion, you will get your answer. Clear? Okay. Understood now? Okay. One more sum. Okay. Or this topic only, means I'm just trying to cover all the sums that a teacher can give, means how much he, up to where he can, okay, give the question. Up to that I'm trying to cover your topic so that it will be easy for you when you are doing the sums. Okay, a field is there which is some centimeter long, some centimeter broad. Okay, a field they are saying, be careful. A tank of this much length, broad, and is being dug, means again a tank is being made. We can say a pit from the middle of the field. Now it's not at the corner, now it's in the middle. Okay, you see, in the middle of the field, and the earth removed is evenly spread. Okay, on the remaining part, see, listen, on the remaining part means again you have to remove this one, middle one. The same thing, instead of corner you have to do the middle one. Okay, find the rise in the level of the remaining part of the field. Okay, I will tell you the values and try to solve and text me your answer. So your the field is 102 meter long and 25 meter broad. So 102 meter long and 25 meter broad. This is the dimensions of the plot, and there is a, what we say, a tank in the middle of the field which is 10 meter long, 5 meter broad, 4 meter depth. So you need to find out the rise in the level of the remaining part of the field. Okay, and your answer is 8 centimeter. Try to do the sum. Okay, the height is 8 centimeter. Okay, if it is in meter you can convert into centimeter, or if it is, if you are getting in meter your answer will be 2 by 25. Okay, or if you are getting in centimeter it will be 8 centimeter. Everything is okay. Okay, so the next one. So I'm just trying to see how much a teacher, up to where he can, okay, he can give the question, how much difficult it will be. I'm just trying to figure it out so that in the exam you should not face any problem regarding these sums. Okay, the next one. Okay, so they're saying that, okay, a rectangle pit is there, again the same thing, which is 1.4 meter long. You note it down the questions. These are the questions which I am gathering from different books. Okay, so a rectangle pit is there which is 1.4 meter long, 90 centimeter broad, and 70 centimeter deep. Okay, now they gave you the depth also of the rectangular pit. Now the pit is in the form of a rectangular shape, means pit is not circle. Okay, it's in the rectangle. Okay, rectangle shape. Okay, they're saying that I am taking out the earth from the, okay, the rectangle pit. Okay, it's right. Okay, after that, by using that earth, means that sand, I'm just trying to make the bricks. Very good, because the, now he is not saying that I am throwing the sand on the remaining part of the field, or I am throwing the sand on the part of the field on the, so that there is an increase in the height. Now they are saying that I am just taking out the sand from that pit okay, and I'm using it for some other purpose, maybe, okay, for making the bricks, they are saying, okay, I'm using it to make the bricks. Okay, so from there he said that I made 1,000 bricks. Okay, huge amount of bricks he has made, means huge amount of the earth came out, means the sand came out. Okay, they're saying that the what we say, the base of the brick and the height, length of the length and the base they gave you, length and the base they gave you, length and the base, okay, breadth or base, base means breadth only they gave you. They're saying what is the height of the brick which I have made. Okay, okay, the very interesting question. Okay, somewhat very different question and interesting also, related to this topic only. I was waiting for this type of questions only. From that time, the same thing. How many times I will explain the same thing. Maybe you also got fed up with these things. Okay, so one more some interesting thing. Okay, so what he is trying to say, I will explain you the concept. Okay, see, so he has taken out the mud. So for example, what he has taken out a mud, and its value is, for example, they are saying that it is around the rectangle pit. Rectangle pit is there. Rectangle pit. Okay, it is having some values. Okay, the length is they gave dimension just like 5 into 3 into 2. Okay, so it is how much, this value is there, and he is saying that he has made how many bricks, number of bricks is equal to 1,000 bricks he has made. Very good. Okay, and he is saying that each brick is having some length. Obviously brick will have a length and a breadth and the height, so they gave you the length dimension of the is 10 into 2. Okay, they are saying that now tell me what is the height, what is the height of the brick, what is the height of the brick. Okay, so obviously a brick will have a height also, so we don't know what is the height. This much we know, that how much the earth is taken out from the field pit of rectangle pit, that will be its equal to the number of bricks. How much earth will take out, that much earth can be used so as to make the bricks. So 1,000 bricks is being made, means huge amount of earth we have taken out. Okay, so what I have to do, I have to find out the volume of this. Obviously volume you will take out. Okay, you keep it like that only. So volume of the rectangle pit, volume of the pit, 5 into 3 into 2. Okay, next, now what you have to do, 5 into 3 into 2. After that you have to find out the volume of one rock, So this is a brick, volume of one brick, volume of one brick. Why one brick? Because this is the dimension for one brick only, na? Okay, this is the dimension for, what is happening, it's getting opened, all the ink will come out. Wait, let me do. Okay, done. Now it will be 10 into 2 into height, we don't know, so height of each brick. Okay, now how many bricks we have prepared? Sir, we have prepared 1,000 bricks. Okay, volume of 1,000 bricks is equal to 1,000 into 10 into 2 into h. Now this will be equal to this one, which we know. So 5 into 3 into 2 is equal to 1,000 into 10 into 2 into h. Now you will get the height of the brick. So this was somewhat different question. Okay, so this type of questions are very important. A student will get confused that sir has explained me that making a dig, okay, throwing the sand, find out the height. Okay, this was the thing that I have explained to you. Okay, now if the concept and everything is same, but the thing is that now they are saying that now I'm not throwing the sand. Okay, instead of throwing, I'm using it for some other purpose. Can be. Okay, so the other purpose is to make the bricks. Clear? Means if I am saying that the question is same, now I am not throwing the sand, I am using it for other purpose. Now previously when I was throwing the sand, I used to take out the volume, the length of the rectangle land, the breadth of the rectangle land, and the increase in the height of the land. So I used to take out the volume. Now in this case I am again taking out the volume only, but not of the land and the increase in sand, but of the brick. See, only difference is that the bricks number I am multiplying, because that much what the earth has taken out, okay, the sand has taken out, cannot be used to make a one brick, na? It will be used to make many. So that's why number of bricks. Okay, that is the only difference. Why 1,000 you will be confused? Because huge amount of earth came out. Is it possible to make only one brick? No, more than one I can make. So that's why I'm saying that number of bricks I am multiplying. Clear? Okay, the next one. Okay, so one more question is there. Okay, and after that we'll close the chapter. Okay, not chapter, the topic. Okay, so the question is, this is also somewhat interesting question. Okay, so the way you need to link it up, okay, I'm just explaining you. They're saying that a cube is of 11 centimeter edge. Okay, let me write the values. Wait, I need that, just space. Okay, so wait, I'll erase it so that I can compare. It will be easy for you. Markers, many markers are there, which one I have to use. I'm just trying to do one thing. I will use the red one. Okay, so they are saying that cube is there. Now in this case, cube is there. The edge is 10 centimeter. Okay, cube. Okay, is completely immersed. Okay, completely immersed. Sorry, edge is immersed completely in a rectangular vessel containing water. Okay, a rectangle vessel is there, just like a container. Okay, which is having the water completely. Okay, if the dimension of the base of the vessel is, okay, they gave you the vessel dimension, means rectangular vessel means dimension with length into breadth. Okay, rectangular vessel, rectangle you write. Okay, it is 15 centimeter into 10 centimeter. Okay, centimeter. Find the rise in the water level, okay, in centimeter. Okay, assume that no water overflows. Okay, so they are saying that a rectangle vessel is just like a rectangle container. Okay, in that I'm just keeping the cube, so that what will happen if you will keep something, if it contain a water, it's not up to the brim means up to the top. Okay, so what will happen, the height will increase of the water level. So they are saying that you tell me how much is the increase in the height. So the question is same, okay, but the way they have presented, okay, it's different. So don't confuse. Okay, so what you will do, you will take out the volume of the cube. After that you will take out the volume of this one. Okay, volume of a cube is a cube, so 10 into 10 into 10. Okay, and whatever the volume of this one, they are said to find volume. Say I will tell you volume of cube you will take out, side into side, and volume of this one, volume of the rectangle one or rising level. So what is the answer for this one? It will be 10 multiply 10 equal to 15 multiply 10 into what is the increase in height? I don't know. Height you need to find out. Okay, so this type of questions are there. So how many questions is possible? I have completed all the questions up to where your sir can give you the question. Okay, the way you need to understand, I've explained you. Go through the video clearly, because very important. Okay, I'm just trying to cover each and everything from each and every aspect. Okay, up to where your teacher can think. Okay, I'm just trying to take you up to that level. Okay, I'm not saying to mark up, I'm just trying to say you to understand the concept. Clear? You have to understand the concept. Okay, so go through the topic clearly. Okay, and the previous one and this one, and try to open your books and try to solve the questions. Okay, over these topics only, no need to touch any other topics. Okay, so thank you. We'll come with one more video in the next one. Okay, thank you for watching the video.